Morning. Today is September 20th. It's a Wednesday, 2023, and we're looking at the main house of Guayacan Entre Aguas, the second cabin, and just the general vicinity. Today is a video about the importance of identifying plants that help fight erosion. And so here's where we are. From some old videos, you'll remember that we had a landslide here, 2 landslides. What happened was that when we constructed the road, we had not noticed that in the neighbor's property, there was basically water stagnated at the very top. We thought there was nothing there. And so we proceeded, we cut through the mountain, and when water is present, it'll find a way down. It'll find its lowest point. And so what ended up happening is we had 2 major landslides, and we see the original cut was here, and then all of that, it basically collapsed, and it was expensive. Then for a year, we had a massive plastic just covering that area. But that was only a temporary solution. The real solution is found with this plant. It's called vetiver. And this has a pretty long root. In meters, it is about up to 5 meters in length, feet, give or take, between 12 to 15 feet. So it's quite substantial. And it's used to basically tie the land so we don't have erosion. And so there we have Dario, a gentleman that a neighbor, campesino who's come to work with us for a few days. Fine gentleman, interesting character, and he's helping me plant these on the side of the mountain. And in the past we had gone to get some vetiver, because the one I showed here, this we brought from the farm in El Retiro from Las Cordilleras. Angela had this, and Juan Fernando and we planted this, and look at the size of these. And we also put it here because, of course, when we move the terrain, we also want to hold this side of the mountain from continue to slide down. So it's a natural way using nature to basically level some issues that nature will have when you have just land that is exposed to the water, and that could basically, you will have a runoff. So in the past, we went to San Rafael and we got some seed of vetiver, but it was very little what they gave us. But nonetheless, the one we planted here, and you can see it, what is holding up the mountain, you can see from this image, is wherever you find, that the vetiver was planted. And the places where it didn't have vetiver, it would cut right through. So those roots, very important, holding the land, fighting erosion. So we will basically be planting all of this with vetiver as close as we can, because the idea is to fight the erosion. So that's one of the things, one of the many things. The other thing I just want to tell you is that the cabins are completely furnished now. They have a queen-size bed, and then they have 2 single beds, so a total of 4 people can sleep per cabin. They're completely furnished with refrigerator, cooking utensils, pots, pans, shower with hot water, fresh running water. So we're getting ready within, I would say a month. Once I've been able to clean up a little bit and take a better photography and start promoting this, so we can start having some guests. And then after that, as I said in my previous video, we will be coming out with seminars for anything that's related to, farming, how to basically make your land productive so you can produce at least your own food. All right. So here we have Canela. Canela had an eye infection the past couple of days. Angela has been treating her with honey. Canela was having a hard time. Her eye was starting to form, to crystallize. I don't know the term, but basically turn white. And once that happens, if you don't try to stop that, she will lose her sight. Angela hasn't been here for the past couple of days, so I've been the one doing the cleaning with Honey. And so Honey makes the eye cry, and it cleans it. So I have my organic lawnmowers, Canela, Sorpresa, and Bolero, who are the first ones to tackle this grass, and then we'll come with it, and do the mowing of the grass later on. We're collecting all the excess material. The plastic that we used, it was already secondhand plastic. It was basically one grade above garbage. Of course, it can be recycled, but in other words, it had no more use. But I extended it because for a year I used that big plastic to cover the area of the landslide. We did not want it to continue sliding until we had the possibility of planting the different plants that help us fight erosion. And so here I am with Rex and Vika and Canela, who's an older lady. She's been with us since what? Since 2012, right? Yeah, you've been with me for a long time, She's an older lady, but she's still lovely. And so here we have basically, let me show you the cabins. Okay, let's see. Oh, do I have the right key? I think I do. Oh, lucky. First try from the whole pack. So, brand new mattress with its base, night table, the dining room, and then the two single beds, they slide out. I'm going to put some shelves, and we do need to bring the fridge that we have downstairs, but it's already ready to be able to house people. This one still, it still needs a mirror, but other than that, we're ready. Ready. Oh, I cut the electricity off because right now there's no one, so from the main house I do cut it. But we're coming along, so ready to have people come over. And it's a lovely location. You get the spectacular view. This one's called La Divisa, which is the lookout. And the other one is Arroyo, which is basically, Arroyo. It's to put a baby to sleep. The term, I can't think of it right now. Oh, we have some vultures. Anytime there's vultures, it could mean a cow died somewhere. Not on in our property, and they're climbing up those thermals. They're so efficient when it comes to flying. All right. Well, so with the view of Rex and the view of beautiful Vika, I will catch you later.